Guys, kauwi ka. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Hindi kinakaya.
Lagyan mo lang dito sa...
Ay, si mama. I'm lagging. Hi.
O lagyan mo na lang sa...
Kauwi ko lang and I have your gifts. So, kita niyo ito yung kusina. Am I lagging? I'm sorry. The Wi-Fi here, I hate the Wi-Fi here. It's... Saan ako? Magdi-data. Guys, am I lagging? Bibilisan ko lang to. Because I'm really tired, but I wanna... Thank you for everyone who's, Thank you for everyone who's greeting. Okay. I'm gonna open these one by one real quick, okay? Bear with me with the lag and everything. Wait.
Yo?
Pochi?
Oo, yung sa'yo pala, yung luma dati.
Oh, these are old?
Oo. Tinala ko, ibawal pala ipasok.
Ano?
Yan, mga candy.
Makita ka nga.
Bawal ipasok
Sorry
sa-
po.
Sa Araneta.
Okay, let's open the gift. So let's start with whatever I have on my hand right now. This one is from Aria Loves Ai. Thank you, Aria Loves Ai. Ooh, wait, there's a letter. Aww.
Oh,
Thank you. Aww. Thank you, Aria. Okay, let's check the gift. Guys, I'm gonna make this quick because it's late and I don't want na napupuyat kayo and I don't want to, guys, yung nangyari kay Lance saka kay Jai, please just pray for them. I hope nothing is serious and I hope they'll recover right away. Please. Okay. What is this? I can feel it and I think I know what it is and I think I'm excited to put it in my room. It is Mama!
Oh!
Oh my gosh! Ilalagay ko agad siya sa room ko. Okay, wag niyo na masyado damihan ng ganito. Baka bibigyan niyo pa ako, maging collectibles na ini. I'm so excited. Thank you, Ari. This is so beautiful. Okay, next. Kasi nagmamadali. Ang cute ng stickers. You changed my life. Oh my gosh, ito yun. Yes, I do love Ash Lloyd. Oh my gosh, thank you. Wow, this is so thoughtful. And then I have treats. Bawal siya sa akin, but not bawal. Kakainin ko siya. Kung binibigay niya, wala akong choice kung kakainin siya. Kakainin ko siya. Next bag. Thank you, Aria. Thank you. Oh, and before I forget, thank you also sa flowers. I bet these are, I think it's from Jai Nicole. They're so pretty. Do you agree?
Sabi ng IK kanina, di ba yung...
Picture.
Kay Chef RB.
Okay. Thank you. Uy, super ganda ng flowers. Picture tayo later, Mikay. Super ganda. I-upload kek. Okay. Nice. Ay. Nagla-live ako Baka lang. Next, this one. Here. Okay. Let's open. I don't know who it's from. But it says Nini in a green bag. OMG! It's like the one I have from Lilim. What is it? Anong kanta? Ano yung mga nasa loob? Or is this just a typical Bluetooth player? Cute! Alright. Next. Next. Okay. Yan. Ooh, there's some shades.
Yung kay sa kay lang. Maraming na.
Okay.
Yung mukha ni Nicole.
Next. Okay, baka narinig yung parents ko. Sorry. Ay, parehas siya. It's two. The same? Baka naman mali ito ha. Or am I supposed to give the other one to Jai? What is it? Okay, guys, yung mga letters, can I read it later on my own, pretending he's beside me? On my own, pretending he's beside me. Kumanta na nga ni. Okay. I'll read that later, ha? Please don't. Ano. Thank you. So, okay, wait. I have to think who it's from, right? Ai, thank you. Thank you dito sa pa-speaker and sa mga shades. Thank you. Okay, next. This one is from Erica Minis, Madam CEO. Di pa pala. Oh, also, this is what Jai gave me for my birthday. Okay. Nakita ko lang. Baka sabihin niya, ba't di mo inanik? Okay. Next. From Erica. Ooh! Mango gummies. Mango gummies. Ito yung sinasuso sa anek. Can't wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna eat it. I should eat it now. Alam mo, nagkaka-sore throat ako dito. Okay, ang complicated niya eh. Saka na. Next. Oh! Hala!
Grabe naman yan. Paano na lang yan?
Saan na ito ilalagay? Uy, saan man ito? Saan ito i-clip? I-clip? Guys, these are too big. What? This is so cute though. I think I should put it sa wall. This is so funny. Thank you, Erica. And I got a... Next. Ah! A dress! I love! Thank you! Very Nicole. I love the dress. Thank you. I've been wanting dresses. This is so pretty. Thank you, Erica. I bet it fits me well. Thank you. 감사합니다. Okay. Next. Also, ano sa car? Hindi ko napakita. Next. Pack. This is from for Nicole. But no from? Okay, hold on. Woo! Sorry. Naging unggoy ako bigla. Okay, wait. I'm gonna open them. Ang dami niyong parigalo, guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you sa 900 people watching. It's so late. You guys are still watching. Next. Okay, this one is from Ampy. Thank you, Ampy. I'll read your letters, later. Don't be upset I'm not reading it live. Because I might... It's gonna take a while. Ang dami pang regalo. Okay. Wait. Text si Joy. Okay, later. Oh my gosh! Can I eat it now? Brown sugar pancake flavor? Brown sugar pancake flavor? Hindi ako makapag-antay. Can I eat? I'm starving. Kita niyo ba kami? We were just eating sa side while they were playing basketball. Kasi gutom na kami. What is it? Oh my God. Okay. DTR. Bye-bye na si Mama Barbs, guys. So many kitchens. I love it. Okay na po ba si Jai? Okay na, ma'am, kahit pa paano. But I actually need to call him to see if he's okay. Okay. And then we have Milky's Best. Thank you. Dami yung regalo. Ah! Dami yung parigalo, guys. Wait lang. He should join this live, no? Yeah. Later siguro. Or I don't know. Kailangan na siya pagpahingahin. Choco Pie! Who doesn't love Choco Pie? Yes, pero na-open ko na kasi pang Oreo BTS. So, ito yung kakainin natin. Okay. Nakakapanibango daw yung flavor. Ang kulot! Ang cute naman ito. Thank you, Auntie. What? I'll give it to Jairo. She made us bracelets. I don't know if Jairo will wear it, but I will wear it. You'll see me wear it. What is it? Ang cute man nito. Ay, di ba nabubuksan pa? How? Aren't you supposed to press down or something? How does this work? Ampy, help! Ah, yun. It's a clock. Mama, look, it's a clock. An old clock. Grabe, gising pa kayong 1,000 na tao nanonood dyan. Grabe kayo, pahinga naman na kayo. Yeah, I have these pocket watches for a long time. They're not working. Grabe naman yung parigalo mo pala nito. Talaga, itinigil mo talaga siya sa ganong oras. Parang ayoko. Kadi kunin mo. Bakit doon mo itistin up yung time? Ayoko na pala. Nagalit. Joke lang. Thank you. They're pretty. And I will put them all in one place with all the oh yeah things. Yeah. And then, thank you, Ampy. Thank you po. Next. Mikai's special appearance. Pak! 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 Oh, sige. Diba na yung pa-injure na nga ni. Ang ganda nito, no? Nalagay ko agad sa room. Okay. So, may maliit. This is from walang name. No name? Oh! Tayo! Family! Thank you po. Oh my gosh. Family picture, Mama. It's us. Nung birthday. Ay, hindi ko pala birthday. Birthday mo? Nasa Baclaran tayo. Oh, it's us, my parents. Oh, I love it. Okay. Ito na ito. Next. Dahil, baka nag-tommy ka. Ano ka muna? Dami pa to.
Wala, hindi.
Okay.
Ano naman
Next. This one is from... Wala pa name. Ito pala mga paper.
Okay na.
Sayang. Tinatago ko yung mga paper bag na big. Ay, kita na yung bill ko. Yun na lang, guys. Uy! Napakadami na mga treats to. What is this? To Mom. Belated happy birthday from the twins. Oh my gosh. Divina and Cash. Thank you. Can I keep the letter? Hindi ko siya matanggal. Dami naman yung pandikit nyo, babe. Hindi ko matanggal. I don't want to rip it. Okay, natanggal ko siya. Thank you. Sorry, I keep your letters. I'm not kidding. Okay. And the twins. So, there's a bunch of mini ice creams. Oh my goodness. Ang daming mini ice creams. How do I open this? Egg? Wala na ako dahil. Ubus na yung egg. Inubos ko kasi expired na nung nakaraan. sobrang dami nilang pa-treats. Where do I put these? Okay. Yung kaninang lalagyan ng, dito muna. Ang dami niyong regalo. Pauwi na ba kayo? Yes, gusto mo? Yes, tayo. Kain tayo dahil. Oo, di pa ako matutulog. Nagla-live pa ako. Ang dami naman nito. Thank you, twins. Okay. So, look how much. Look how much. They gave a lot. Ow! Dahil nalaglag ka, kakainin kita. Ha! Na-fall ka? Ah, patay ka. This is cream bar strawberry. Pero parang di man siya strawberry. But strawberry lang. Tamis. Sorry. Parang hindi ko kaya ubusin. Parang mamaya, kadang may kainin ako maalat. Sorry. More pochi! May pochi pa nga ni. More pochi pa. And strawberry jelly candies. Thank you. And your love letter, I will read it. Oh, thank you. Twins, I'll read it. Not now though. Ang dami pang dadaanan. Mama! Parang ang sarap. Parang ito yung binigay din sa akin na maliliit, but it's bigger. Okay. You guys don't need to eat this with me. Like, this is a lot. Next. She looks familiar. Is this Kiara in her uniform? Yeah? It is? Kamusta si Jai? Kamusta si Jai? Wait. Hello? Later, tanungin ko kung kamusta siya, but I think he's okay na. Grabe. Grabe to. Ganda. Wow! Yung talent nyo, insane. Lag ako? Sorry, tiisin nyo na. I saw, is this yours? This is your drawing? Thank you. Grabe. Mom. You have to put them someplace. You guys have so many beautiful artworks. I need to put them in a place. Hindi naman pwede paikot ng bahay.
Yung may isang gano'n.
Yeah, Okay. Ma, if you're sleepy na, you can na. Yeah, kakain ka rin?
Yeah.
Okay, mga gutom na kami. Uy. Okay, next. Might wanna try this. It's really sweet though. It tastes good, but I can't. Next. Ooh, what's this? This is from... Let's open. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Okay. So it's from Seven Dwarfs. Ay, ang ganda! I like this. I-bookmark ko to. I like that. I'll read your letter later though. So it's... Is this a jersey? Oh, 50. Ay, cute! Dress yarn. May ganito pala. May ganito palang dress. Jersey dress. Duster to sa akin. Tingnan mo, sa bahay ka nang gamitin ko ba pang tulog. Thank you, Seven Dwarfs. I love it. Ay, and this one. Gagamitin kong bookmark. Thank you. You guys are so cute. Salamat. Okay. Next. This one is from Seven Dwarfs as well, but I'm just not sure if it's someone specific from Seven Dwarfs. Now it says Seven Dwarfs. Thank you. Let me... Okay. Hold on. Having a hard time. It's taking a while. Umuwi pa ba kayo? Are you guys on the way home? Malabo? Ay, bakit po malabo? I think it's because I'm not stable. I post it, but di mo na notice, ate. Ang alin? Ang alin, dear? You have a post-it? Where? Saan? Dun sa frame? Wala na dun sa paper bag? Post-it? I did. Ito yung nandito sa post-it, dear. Ito ba yun? Nakuha ko nga. I ripped it off. Is this the twins? Is that correct? Am I mali? Oh, I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm a little dizzy and tired. Okay. Wait, let's open this first. Uy! Dagan, uy! Ang dami naman nito. Look at the earrings. Oh my gosh, pretty. Okay, makikita niyo, suot-suot ko na lang siya. And more bracelets. Cute jewelries. Thank you po. Hair clips. Salamat. More hair clips, more fun. And, are these hair ties? Ang pretty naman ng mga hair ties na to. Parang hindi mo siya gusto gamitin. Ito, I think I like this color better. I mean, this is pretty also. Magagamit ko na lang siya makita. Hair tie nga. Oh, it is a hair tie. Obviously, I can't wear it with this. Kailan ko pala patanggal yung hair ko. Ang sakit nito. It's my real hair, guys. Okay. Ay, at meron tayo. Pamaypay. Ang pretty naman ng pamaypay na to. How do I open? Wait. Okay, ayaw magpa-open, but it's a fan. Thank you. A fan from a fan. Yay! Oh, yay! I have a new shawl. Look, Mom.
Oh, ganda.
Ganda. Yo, I love shawls. Like, I have so much shawls. I just love them. You have no idea. I just love them. Because I always wear, like, tank tops and then I cover it. So I really love this. Thank you. I don't know who you are, but you're from the Seven Dwarfs. Thank you. I love it. Thank you po. Thank you sa duster. Salamat din dyan. Next. Okay. Let's do these. Ito is from... I remember getting it. I don't remember who it's from. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Wow, Mom, look. Mom. Ha?
Ay,
Ang ganda. Pwedeng tong damit.
ganda.
Like pag tinali-tali. Ang pretty naman nito. Oh my gosh.
Ang color niya.
Salamat. And I have a mask of Magnamenti. What is a Magnamenti mask? Is that a face mask? Okay. I see you. Oh, these are from Japan? Thank you. I love this. This is so cute. Ba't kapag gising? Kasi nag-unboxing ako. Ngayon, kung ayaw mo, di matulog ka na. Unboxing ko, 1,500 kayo dyan nanonood, Of course. Ang dami niyo dyan. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, later na ako magre-react. Oh my gosh, thank you. Guys, please isama niyo sa prayers si Lanza kasi Jai, please. Yun lang. Okay. All I could say, guys, kung natanong niyo ako kamusta sila, they did their very, very best. So please, pray for them. And sana nag-enjoy kayo kasi para sa inyo talaga lahat ng ginawa namin. Rhea, 7 dollars, thank you. Uy, eye drops, perfect. I need it right now. Can I use it? These aren't expired, I believe. I love these. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Freya. I love this so much. And these. Thank you. Okay, next. Same time ng birthday, Jean. Happy birthday. Ang daming may same time birthday. Next. Oh my goodness! Mom! Wala. Kailangan natin hanapan ng vase to. Wow! It's Lego! Oh my gosh! How do I? Pero I can get the Legos lang, no? Para hindi na yung mga felt because it's going to be a little big. Oh my gosh! Who are you? From the twins as well! Hi, Mom. Blue flowers for you. We love you. Ay, parang may nalaglag. Kasi may kulang na piece dito. No! Hanapin natin yung piece na yan. It must have fallen. Thank you. Guys, it's Lego flower. Like Lego. Oh my gosh. Salamat. Thank you. Ay. That's so nice. Okay, next. From the twins. Grabe kayo twins, ha? Ako iiyak. Mamaya ko nabasahin to. Kasi, mapapahaba ang ating live. Nagagalit na yung iba. O ba't gising pa? Pagalitan ako ng magulang nyo. Ha? 100 ta... Mom! Guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng bag. Meron siyang sling, pero hindi ko na para buksan pa. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Thank you po. Meron na akong white bag. Thank you. Wala akong white bag. Ang gamit, I have a beige or light beige bag, but not white. My mom has a white bag. Oh my gosh. Protected. Must be protected. Thank you. Salamat sa kambal. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. I super duper love it. Okay. Next. Marami-rami pa to, guys. Kaya niyo pa. Pag hindi na, matulog na kayo. Okay. I have a few more here left. Okay, let's just take one. Dried mango. Ang tatamis ng mga regalo niyo sa akin. Hindi ko kinakaya. Ay, mali ata to. Kay Gab to. Okay, I'm gonna give it back. Kasi may tag. Ang ganda ng tag. Gagamitin niyo yan, sure. Pero mali. Kay Gab to, dear. Nabit-bit siguro natin. Bibigay ko na lang. Ha?
Naiwan.
Naiwan doon. Okay. From Jessica Nola. Ay, ang cute. Did you make... Oh, it's a mirror. It's a mirror. How did you do this? Oh my gosh, sick. Cute. Cute. Tatanggal na yung pilik mata ko. Thank you, Jessica and Atala. Ew! And bracelets too. Thank you. Okay, next. Next. Ito. Happy birthday, Mamshi, from Jaisal. 2 sheets of tissues. May tissue, bakit? Iyak ako. It's a cup. Oh my God, ang cute ng cup. May inggit si Jai nito. Unless binigyan niyo rin siya. E de wala, hindi siya maiinggit. Ang goal ko lagi painggitin yun eh. Mga gantong bagay. Ang taas kasi di ko masuot sa hair ko. Ang cute though. Thank you po. Ate Jason, salamat. That's the letter, of course, later na. Thank you. Maraming salamat. May tissue siya. Bakit? Paano kung kukunin? Next. This one is from Apple. Ate Apple. Open ko na po. Kasi kakain na kami. Ang ganitong oras. Pero pwede na kayo mauna. Pusin ko na to. Kunti na lang. Hala, Ate Apple, ano ito? Knifeware. It's a unique bag. What is it? What is it? Oh my gosh, I got a tank top. It's such a nice color, lovely color. And jorts. I have another jorts. Sorry. Because I already have one. And I said I was going to get another one because I really like it. And now I have one in the color. I don't think I have this color. Look, Mama. Look, Mom.
Ganda.
I know. Y'all, Ate Apple, you just know what I like, don't you? You surprise me. I think it will fit me, yes? I think so. Yes, it's small. It will fit me. Thank you, Ate. Sawadee ka. I love it. Bukas na yan. Kung nakikita nyo, ang kalat na, yung mga binuksan ko, bukas ko na siya i-fix. Sobra naman to. From Ate Zam to Nicole. Over sa dami. Can I do a different video for this? Sorry, kasi it's like surprise items. Yeah? Like surprise items. So can I do a different vlog for this? Zam, I will do a vlog for this, okay? Because this is... I need some time for this. And I think Jai will like this also. So, siguro gagawin ko. That's so fun. Okay. Next. This is from... Ay, ano to? Ay, ito pala yung jersey ni Jai. Yung suot ko kanina. So, ito yung regalo niya. Next. From Kim. This one's from Kim. Okay, let's open. Sorry, I need to break the paper bag. Hindi ka open. Ooh! Neck pillows. Neck pillows. Ay, and the love letter, which I shall open. Ay, wala na. Pinipilit. Minsan pag wala na, huwag nyo na ipilit. Char. Perfect. It's just perfect. I shall put it in my car. Thank you. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Kim. Sawadee ka. Not last. I thought it was the last. Who's this? This one is from Erica with a K. Ano to, Erica? Laki ah. Let's see, what is it? Chaneng! Yee! Guys, sobrang dami na ng ganito. Pwede magsasabi na lang ako kung kailan kayo magpapadala kasi ang dami ko pa. No hate though. I love it. It's a lot of stationery stuff. Sticky notes, sticky pads. Super saya. Oh my gosh. Highlighters. Pens. Sorry, I get giddy about stationery stuff. This is so nice. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Are these... I have a mechanical pencil from Muji. Is this Muji? Oh my gosh. Yay. What? Hope you open this book. Yeah, little. I want to know what book it is. I want to know. Thank you. Wait, I want to keep the letter. Ay! Oh, I don't want it to break. Okay. Nice. Next. Oh my gosh, I got a book. I'm not a reader, by the way, but oh, a gentle reminder. I have this, dear. This is one of my favorites. Thank you. I need to reread it. Maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Tapos yung letter, I'll open it another time too. Thank you. This is salamat. Yours will keep going. Oh, meron pa siyang mga notes. Meron pa siyang mga notes. Thank you, Erica. Okay. White bag. This is the white bag. Correct? This is the white bag. Tama? Another Dior. You guys, crazy. Ito ba yan? Ito yung white bag? No? Not this. What do you mean? I don't have any other white bag. There's another white bag. I have, there's no other white bag. Yung kanina, Alberto. I opened Alberto. This is Alberto. Oh, the white bag. I have to open it. May something pa dito sa loob. Ang ganda, Loy.
Maganda na Alberto pag Philippines.
Hindi, yung bigay nila.
Ay! Love it.
So, I have to open it. Okay, sorry po. Bakit? May something ba?
Mga busy.
Finally. Ano ba to?
Wala. Kaway, ano mga sa'yo?
So, they told me to open it. So, I opened it. Ano ba?
Wala yung reflex mo na.
Yung letter?
Okay, wait lang. Stress ako.
Ay, hindi ko na alam kung alin dito yung letter niya, dear. Anong itsura ng envelope? Envelope. Ang dami yung envelope. Kana? Is it this?
Kaya hindi nakapagpa-picture
Oo nga.
Ito?
Mahal sila nakauwi.
This is a... Dili yung kana. Alin? Yung sa bag. Sa bag. There's a letter sa bag.
Sila. Nakauwi yung ano.
Ay, dinala nila?
Hindi, nakalimutan.
Ano nila?
Ito? Thank you letter. Guys, I'm confused. Yun daw po. Yes daw po. No. Envelope daw ng twins. Yes daw. So, the white. Yung kanina pinakita kong hawak ko kanina. Okay. Kana! Smile today. Ini? Smile today? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm seeing yes. Kana. Okay, I'm opening it. Alright, I'm so
May
sorry.
letter down.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
It's like the one na binigay. Okay, wait lang. Maingay siya. Oh, thank you, Kim. Salamat. Ay, meron pa. Oh, today. Thank you.
Tuwang-tuwa na naman si Daikin kanina.
Yung lady sa Yarman.
Hindi, sir. Marco. Yung mataba na nakalimutan.
Thank you.
Marco talaga yun.
Yung pala yun. My gosh. Okay, ito na. Sorry, may iba antok na siguro. Hold on. I'm getting there, okay? I'm getting there. There's also more pala in this bag. Hindi ko na-open. Kanino nga ito galing? Okay, this is from Claire Marie. Claire Marie. Ang dami pa pala. Oh, wow. I have one of these. Nag-fade na yung ganito ko. Thank you, nagbigay ka. Oh my gosh, a bucket hat. From Cebu. Love it. And another anik-anik keychain na letter N. I love it. Dried mangoes. Cebuana. Ay, kaon na ta. Thank you po. And, ay, ang ganda. May bago na akong mug. Huwag yung gagamitin to, ah. Ay, ang ganda. Ma. Cebu. Sinulog. Cebu. And then it's blue. Oh my God, I love it. Thank you. May isa pa raw po.
Ano?
Saan na yung isa na yan, dear?
Video sa nito?
Saan na yan? Hold on. May isa pa. Okay. Ito yun.
Sabi, hi Hi, Daikin. Pasensya na kung hindi ako nakashoot. Pero, promise ko sa'yo.
From the twins. Thank you. Sawadi. Thank you. Dalawa na. Okay na? Okay ha. Black? Anong black? Walang black envelope akong nakuha. Wala akong black envelope, guys. I will find it again, but I have no black. Sorry, I'm so tired. Yeah, sorry. Hindi ko mahanap yung black na sinasabi nyo. The Dior na. Meron. Kapoy na siya. Yes, guys, I'm so tired. I'm sorry. I'll try to look for it and then I'll do a live again. Sorry. And then it's somewhere here. Guys, if you could see everything, it's just piled up right now because I have to arrange it. Okay, because I'm just trying to show you guys. Okay. Lang. Ayaw pa magstay ng phone ko. Okay. Last but not the least. Wait. Ito. From Ate Zam din. Kultura! Ate Zam, I'll open the letter. Oh, mamaya papa-open nyo na naman sa akin. Wait lang, ha? Kasi yung mga letter, gusto ko pag hindi ako pagod para madama ko ba. Pagbasahin ko na yun, parang wa effect. Shogod na lola mo. Di ba tawa kayo ng tawa? Ay, yung Dior! Ito na, dito na ako. Di last na natin yung Dior. Teka lang. Ito na ako eh. Tadang! Mom, hindi pwedeng pupuntang Cebu na hindi ko suot to kasi Cebu. Okay, pag nag-Cebu ako, susuotin natin yan siya. Ay, ganda rin ng earrings. Thank you po. Meron din ako Jeepney, Cebu, Philippines, bamboo, notebook. Thank you po. Nag-ano si Zam sa kultura. Nag-enjoy. Ay! Ang ganda naman. So pretty!
Sabrina.
Ang ganda. Love it. I love it. Thank you. And there's a letter. Nasa kako na. Babasahin. Last but not the least, ito na. What you all have been waiting for. The Dior. Okay. Ito na yun, guys. Tapos pwede nang kumain ako, no? This is from Jen Kina. Happy birthday. Thank you po. Napakabait niyo naman. Ooh, it's in a special little bag. Let's open it. My first Dior blush. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Tapos yung lipstick. The shade. Ano? La Denvina. La Denvina? Is that the shade? La Denvina? Ooh, wow, what a pretty shade. Pang everyday ko na to. Is this the name of the ano? Or did you guys name it this way? Nagkamali ba? Ano ba to? Look. Kasabot. Kabisaya. Gamay ng kasabot, oy. Ano ito? Thank you. I don't. Hindi ko tuloy alam if it's for me because if it's my name, it's engraved, but it says Ledivina.
That's the brand of that.
Hindi, it's Dior.
Or the color.
Hindi, yung color niya is
Wow.
Dior ako. Sabi ko kala ko sa Densi. Thank you po. Kay Nancy nga to. Ay, hindi. Kay to? Gentina. Thank you po. I love it. I love it so much. Ayun guys, maraming salamat. Ang dami ko na namang nilinisin bukas. Pero ako'y grateful sa lahat.
From famous legendary opera singer pala.
Oh, it's our opera singer. Okay. La Divina. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng regalo nyo at sa oras nyo na nanood ng aming first ever All-Star Games. Sana nag-enjoy kayo because we really prepared it for you guys. Again, I do want to say thank you and please do pray for Lance and Jai for their injuries. Pero nonetheless, yung goal naman namin is mapasaya kayo. So, sana nangyari yon. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next live. Please pahinga na rin kayo at kakain pa ako. Okay? Bye-bye, guys. I love you all. Bye! Thank you sa mga regalo. Makikita nyo na lang gamit-gamit ko sila. Bye! Mwah! Bye!
Team Purple.